Welcome back to Mojave KY. Thank you guys so much for stopping in. So today, hopefully, is the completion of the HomeLink install. Gen 5 DIY sent me a new cable, and we're gonna put it in now and see if this cable fixes it. Fingers crossed, and we'll have HomeLink working. So I'm not going to bother showing you the whole mess of pulling it down and putting the new one in. You can see the previous video for how the install is supposed to go. Nothing should be different, right? Except that we should get power to the HomeLink. So let's put this in, and then I'll see you after I'm done with it. Hopefully we're pressing the button and the light is coming on the HomeLink, and then we can get it all programmed and open and close the garage, which was the whole point of the whole thing. Hey, just wanted to cover one quick thing that I had in the comments from the other HomeLink. So there's a difference when you have a 1SS Camaro and you're doing this on your HomeLink. The car must be running, and the reason is that I am using the airbag's power. We're splicing into it with this harness. So the airbag doesn't have power all the time. So if the car's off, the airbag's power is off also. That's why there's a difference between what some of you guys who have a 2SS and it's made to have it, right? You have that working if your car's on or your car's off. This mod only works for the 1SSs because we did not have dedicated power for it when the car's running. So again, for me that doesn't matter, because when I walk out, I hit the button there on the door and it opens, and then I back out, and then I'll be able to close it. And when I come in, I'll open it, and when I come back, I'll shut the car off, come close the garage. So no big deal. Okay, so it's installed. We're ready to test it out. I don't know why I'm already feeling like this isn't gonna work, but let's start the car up and hope that this works. Okay, we're in the car, and we are getting ready to try this out. So that little button, when I press it, should light up, and if it doesn't, I'm gonna be mad. Here we go. Yay! Yeah, baby! Finally! Okay. Yay! Alright, bud. Let's, I'll get this programmed, but we're good. And that harness does work. Yes. Okay, so I just got out of the car. I'm excited because, I don't know, I'm being a pessimist. I didn't think it was gonna work. So, yeah, HomeLink, dude. I seriously have wanted that since I bought the car. And no, I wasn't buying 2SS for HomeLink. I know, why would you? But anyway, I really wanted it. Super stoked that it worked. Thank you so much to the Gen 5 DIY guys. I'll put a link to that harness. It does work. The other guy that is part of the Mojave Nation who did this himself also, his also worked too. So there just was something wrong with that batch of harnesses. So you can feel comfortable the harnesses work. You can get those installed yourself if you have a 1SS. Again, only works when the car's on, but you know, I don't really think that's that big a deal. And I'm super excited to have this project ticked off the list. Hey, so just wanted to say again, thank you guys so much for all the likes and subscribes and watching the videos. This was just a follow-up video to the HomeLink one. Just wanted you guys to let you know whether this was gonna work or it wasn't. I was prepared to cut bait if this didn't work, so super glad it is. Next weekend, we have Camaros and Coffees event here in, I think it might be in Murrieta, but Temecula, Murrieta area. So planning to go to that. That one is an all Camaros event, so I'll film that. You guys can see all the amazing cars that come here and all the amazing Camaros. Usually a variety of gens, usually mostly 5th and 6th gens, obviously. But you'll get to see those. We're gonna do a throttle body install on one of my friend's cars, so you get to see his Camaro. I don't know if he'll let me film him or not, but you'll get to see his Camaro and get to see us get the throttle body swapped out. Now he has an E85 tune on his from Cunningham. I don't know, I kind of wonder what if he'll think it makes additional horsepower beyond that. I really don't have power mods. I really just want to do the supercharger route, but it's so expensive that, you know, I don't know if I'll ever get to that. I enjoy my car as it is, so I like these kind of cosmetic stuff and some handling stuff that is a lot less expensive. So again, thanks for coming by. The new logo image is just about done. It isn't that much different, so you know, don't get excited. It is very similar to the one we have. I just asked the guy to make some modifications so that I could put it on a shirt that I could wear in these videos, and that's about it. But you'll see black and blue as I promised. I'm gonna try to switch the intro up and stuff like that to kind of match the new logo. And again, you'll see me and Kent wearing the Mojave KY stuff in the videos. Just thought it was kind of a cool touch for the videos as the channels, you know, passed by 1,000 subscribers thanks to you guys, and getting a lot of views. So I really appreciate it. In the meantime, till the next video, which should be relatively soon, I think I'm gonna do another small channels that I watch video, episode 3. Stay tuned for that. And before then, keep modding.